children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Children, now we will read conjunctions. Let's learn. A conjunction is a word which is used to join two words, two phrases or two sentences together. कंजक्शन क्या है? जो दो वर्ड्स को, दो फ्रेज को या दो सेंटेंसेस को कनेक्ट करता है. नाउ काइंड्स ऑफ कंजक्शंस. There are three types of conjunctions. Number one, coordinating conjunctions. The conjunctions that are used to join two statements or clauses of equal rank are called coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating means of equal rank. अगर equal rank के sentences को हम connect करते हैं तो वो क्या होता है हमारा coordinating conjunction. Here are some examples. Study them. Now conjunction and meaning adds information. जो and है वो क्या करता है? Information को add करता है. Example, birds fly and eat seeds and worms, but offers a contrast. I called him but he didn't listen. Or offers a choice. You can have a cup of tea or coffee. For means because. Explains reason or purpose. I may be late for I have to see the patient first. यहाँ पर क्या है? किस चीज़ के लिए for को यूज़ किया गया है? रीज़न को एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए कि उनको पेशेंट देखने के लिए जाना है. Nor removes alternatives. She doesn't like milk nor tea. नॉर का यूज़ हम कहाँ करते हैं कि कोई भी हमारे पास अल्टरनेटिव उसके लिए नहीं है. अल्टरनेटिव्स जितने भी हैं वो सब रिमूव कर दिए गए हैं. तो उसमें क्या है कि ना तो वो मिल्क पसंद करती है और ना ही टी पसंद करती है. ऑप्शन है ही नहीं. Yet gives a contrasting idea. I worked hard, yet I could not satisfy him. So shows result. The child was hungry, so it cried. So ने क्या दिया यहाँ पर? रीज़न दिया, रिजल्ट दिया आपको कि बच्चा जो है भूखा था इसलिए वो चिल्ला रहा था. Now this is your exercise. You have to complete it. Next is subordinating conjunctions. Conjunctions that connect clauses of unequal rank, one dependent and the other independent clause, are called subordinating conjunctions, such as after as, when, until, till, before, where, unless, since, because, so that, though, although, still, etc. जो सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शन है वो अनइक्वल सेंटेंसेस को, जो सेंटेंसेस अनइक्वल रैंक के होते हैं उनको कनेक्ट करता है. उसमें से एक तो डिपेंडेंट होगा और दूसरा इंडिपेंडेंट होगा. तो उनको क्या कहते हैं हम? सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शंस. जैसे when, until, till, before, where, unless, since, because, so that, though, although, still, etc. Now examples, conjunctions, meaning and examples. Because expresses cause and reason. He was punished because he was late. Punishment क्यों मिला? क्योंकि वो late था. क्या दिया यहाँ पर उसने? कारण दिया आपको, reason दिया. Since expresses cause and reason. The man uses a stick since he can't see properly. वो stick use करता है क्यों? क्योंकि वो ठीक से नहीं देख पाता है. तो यहाँ पर भी क्या मिला है आपको? cause मिला है, reason मिला है. If expresses condition. If you need, I will help you. Until expresses time. Wait here until she comes back. So that expresses purpose. I work hard so that I may pass. When expresses time. When का use कब करेंगे? Time को show करने के लिए. She was eating food when I reached there. Though expresses contrast. Though he is rich, he is humble. That expresses result. He is so weak that he cannot walk. Before, to express time. Don't go anywhere before she comes. After, to express time. I will talk to you after I have completed my letter. Lest, to express result in the negative. She works hard lest she should fail. Wherever, to express place. The lamb follows me wherever I go. Since, to express time. It has been 1 year since we last met. Unless, to express condition. You won't catch the train unless you walk fast. Therefore, to express result. She had fever. Therefore, she didn't go to school. Now, this is your exercise. You have to do it. Next is correlative conjunctions. These conjunctions are pairs of words which always connect two elements that are grammatically similar. जो grammatically similar होते हैं उनको ये connect करते हैं. It means they join nouns to noun, adjectives to adjectives and phrases to phrases. Noun से noun को, adjective से adjective को और phrase से phrase को ये connect करते हैं. For example, he is not only famous but also very humble. The path of success is neither swift nor easy. Saurabh is both handsome and intelligent. Neither Rudraksh nor his friend plays video games. The common correlative conjunctions are both and, either or, neither nor, not only but also, whether or, no sooner than. Now this is your exercise. You have to join all these. I hope conjunctions are clear to you now. It's time to revise. You can revise it.